Welcome back to a bite-sized edition of the original meal. I'm your host, Nancy Kaufer. Today we're making a recipe from 1951 from a cookbook called Good Food for Bad Stomachs. 500 delicious and nutritious recipes for sufferers from ulcers and other digestive disturbances. Let's go. Prune Marguerites. We're using powdered sugar, egg white, cooked prunes, dash of vanilla, and 2 dozen saltines. How's that sound? Some prune nuggets, water. That's interesting. Okay, I know I should have saved that prune juice, but I'd already eaten a lot of prunes, so I was good. All right. Tasty. These are boiling hot, so while these are cooling, we'll move on to the next part. Just slide those over there. Now, I know there's easier ways to separate eggs, but come on. Look at this snotty egg separator. It's too good not to use. Oh, there we go. Too much fun. Beat that to, I don't remember, soft peaks, shiny, I don't remember what the recipe said, I'll have to look it up. Confectioner sugar. 2 tablespoons. Vanilla. All right, so we're mashing that up. Nice mushy mash of the prunes. Nice. So the recipe calls for 2 dozen saltines, but I do all my recipes gluten-free because so then I can eat them. And I couldn't find any gluten-free saltines-ish type cracker. So I brainstormed, and I thought the thing that came closest was matzah. So I found some gluten-free matzah. I don't think it'll be an issue that it's everything matzah. It's got onion and garlic and things like that in it, but it should be fine. Matzah's not that easy to break into pieces, I just want you to know. Very crumbly. Fold that prune mash in there. All right, almost done. Well, we'll see how they come out. That one needs more. Oops. 12 minutes later. Huh. Look at that. I don't know. That's hot prune right there. All right, so if I had made the meringue properly, they'd be puffier. And if I had saltines, they would be neater. They'd be puffier and neater, but they'd still be unattractive. Maybe it's some like chocolate sauce, whatever. I'm gonna have to wait to try them because they're hot. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee first. Look at all that beige. All right, here we go. Pruny. I don't know. It's like fluff and prunes on a cracker. I don't see the point. You know, it's edible. No offense to good food for bad stomachs, but Honestly, I don't see the point. So, until next time, this is the original meal. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll dig up another recipe that we can have fun with. Until then, be well.